Let's try to come up with an alliance name. Please tell me you did not just say that. What? Just forget it! Navy, we need a way to identify ourselves. Whatever. Whoa, Orange, why are you sad? I miss Red. If he joins our alliance, he could be a great leader. Yeah, I miss him too. I still wonder who eliminated him. Whatever, our alliance name should be Bun. Is that all you could come up with? I think our name should be with a little more pizzazz. I got it. I have long hands. You put the red in the acid bucket and Navy is a winner. Long acid winners. I do not know if I like it. It has my name in it. Navy, if you don't like it, you can go eliminate yourself. Let's do the same thing, but what should it be? The losers. 2. Yeah, that's good. Don't be happy because you're up for elimination. I'm also sad because we got 0 votes. I also have to be sad because the wind is going to be very strong in 3 hours. Well, that will be the tiebreaker and the challenge. Now do the tiebreaker. Oh no. Get off me. The challenge is not to touch me. I do feel kinda happy now. Okay, so I really need to find that luck syringe. And there are only 2 green syringes. I got a good idea. Еще немножко. I finally found you. Let's inject you. There was a mess in my syringe pantry. I have to go check it.
I feel more comfier now.
Someone has to be in this pantry. And what happened to my syringes? I have to go to a cold country and I have to get out of here. Navy and Sky are up for elimination. Why would anyone come here in this weather? Wanna come with us?